Hello dear viewers, welcome to our channel. It's very good to have you here. In this video we will be looking at how to repair a mass airflow sensor on a Toyota Vitz engine. The mass airflow sensor, sometimes known as MAF sensor, is located generally after the air cleaner, and the purpose is to sense the mass of air coming into the engine. That signal will be transferred to the electronic control unit ECU so that it can decide the amount of fuel to be injected in the cylinder. So whenever there is a problem with the MAF sensor, there are some noticeable variations on the engine. For example, if the engine is hard to start, that could be caused by a dirty mass airflow sensor or a faulty mass airflow sensor. Hard start could be caused by complete failure of mass airflow sensor. If the mass airflow sensor is extremely dirty, it may take few attempts for the engine to start. Excessively rich or lean fuel condition can also be an indication of a faulty mass airflow sensor, leading to poor idling and poor fuel economy. If you notice fuel consumption increase and frequent travel to the gas station, dirty airflow sensor could be the cause. The other symptoms that indicates a faulty mass airflow sensor is hesitation during acceleration. If you push on the gas pedal and the vehicle hesitates to accelerate and jerk, that could be a symptom of dirty or faulty mass airflow sensor. A faulty mass airflow sensor can also lead to start and stall condition. If extremely damaged, the mass airflow sensor could cause a start and stall situation. To check if this is the case, just disconnect the mass airflow sensor wire harness and then run the engine. If the engine continues to run without stopping, then you need to replace the mass airflow sensor. Or if it is damaged or if it is dirty, it has to be cleaned. So these are some of the symptoms indicating mass airflow sensor problems: rough idling and check engine light coming on frequently after driving for a little. That could be an indication of a faulty mass airflow sensor. So in this video, we are going to see how to clean a mass airflow sensor on a Toyota Vitz. We will take it out and then we are going to flush it with a carburetor cleaner. Let's see how it is done. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you in this presentation. We hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like what you have seen, smash the like button, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified whenever we come up with another video. Till then, stay safe.